Right, I'd like to show you how to install a hard drive. It's quite simple to just get any hard drive. 3.5-inch desktop hard drive will be quite fine. So if I was to just quickly unpack this hard drive, this does not come with a package. However, we can exclusively buy a hard drive anywhere else, or we can provide it with a hard drive. Please see our prices for hard drives. So first you get this hard drive is a 500 gigabyte Seagate hard drive, or any other hard drive will be fine as long as this size. Okay, and in the DVR box you'll find this package. You should be able to find in the box somewhere these screws. Should be provided with 4 of them, and this comes in the DVR box, right? And this is the DVR, and you can see you've got a few screws in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll quickly unscrew this. This is the last one. Alright, you can see this just come out. That's what's inside the box. So the actual DVR has got power as well as data. So you can see you've got connections in here. So this is for this port in here. You can't get wrong because it only goes in one way. So simply it'll go like that. And this will go on the other side. You just have to see and match the port properly, that's all. Push it in, it's clicked in, and you got to see for these 4 screw holes in here, and these 4 should match with the DVR box. You can see there, and underneath that one. What you can do to install it, you can just simply undo this to make it a lot bit easier. It goes underneath there. Then you look at the other side for the actual holes to match up in here, and you simply use these screws that are provided in the DVR box. Screw this on, it's done. Then please don't forget to put this back in, otherwise it will not work from the front. Okay, so done. After this, basically screw everything back in. I'll put this cover in. And that's how you install a hard drive. And what it will do, once you connect the power and stuff like that, you should do an automatic reformatting with a fresh brand new hard drive, and it should just simply start recording. The next video will be on how to integrate this device onto your mobile phone, which is quick steps. I'll just go through it in a minute for you if you want to look at the following video. Thank you very much.